Hey everyone, Essie here, and this is a DIY Zyduck, and he happens to be my favorite character, or one of my favorite Pokemons ever, because he's just super cute. So what we are going to do is we are going to get Zyduck here, and we are going to create a face for him. I'm gonna lift that up, and we are going to put that on this paper like so. Ta-da! And now we are going to make his face. So, what's a good face for Zyduck? Let's start with this set of eyes. So we are just going to put that right on here. There's one. And then we are going to put the other one right here. Aww, look how cute he is. This is why I love him. He is super duper cute. And then we are going to add a little bit of accessory. How about a pair of headphones? He loves a good pair of headphones. Wait, where is it gonna be? Oh no, that might not work. Will it? I don't know, might not work. Okay, we're gonna have to change that up. We're gonna do something else. How about, a Santa hat? Oh, I know right now is not Christmas time, but I mean, look at that. That is super cute. Now we are going to do something else. How about we add a pair of sunglasses? Oh my gosh, you guys ready for a transformation? A super cool one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there is a very cool looking Zyduck. Now we are going to decorate the, background. Maybe we can start with a little, what is this thing? Is that a gem? I'm sure that is significant for Zyduck. And then we are going to put this little rainbow star right here. And what is this one? Oh my gosh, I should know these things, but I'm sure you guys know, so I'm not gonna be worried about it. You guys are very smart. You know exactly what these are. I'll put that right here because he loves music. And of course, we are going to put one Pokemon ball right around here. Oh, there's another one. Let's just go ahead and take that one too. And voila! Yay! Look at that. There is Zyduck. Looking super cool.